going to make an Indonesian traditional bookmark. We're going to make a boys version and the girl version. If you want to make something like this as well, you can use white paper or peach paper for the skin. Peach paper. You can use this for a batik. You can even use gift wraps. The stuff you need is markers or crayons or whatever, scissors, ruler, and a round shape to make the heads and arms. And you can also put decorations on it. Let's start making. And I almost forgot. Use black origami paper for the tops. Over here. First, use a round shape in your house to make the head. Like this. Then put your batik paper on your character's body. Fold the batik on the character's body. Then fold it again in the front part, like a fan. Keep folding like a fan now. Then put glue on a part of the batik. Then put glue on the other part. Then put glue on the fan folded one. Fold a little bit so it will be nicer. Now we're going to make the tops and glue the body to it. Then fold it along the shoulder. Fold the other part. Glue. Now fold the rest of the part backwards, like that. Voila! Now we have the bottom part. Now it's time to make the head! First, fold like a fan again, two times. One, two. Just to make the nice line a little. Then cut the paper with the scissors. Then fold it. Fold the middle part on the head. But the main part of this thing is folding and cutting and gluing. Cut again. you want to do, you can add decorations. You can add eyes.
Draw them now.
And you can draw them out. You, Fred. If you want, you can make buttons. Okay, now we're done. Voila, it looks like this. Weird face, a weird mouth, and weird buttons everywhere. We're going to make the girls' version now. The same thing. If you still remember, okay. For the girls, we have to make the inner side of the. We need to fold it like the boys, but a little bit different from front to back. And fold back
At the shoulder.
at the shoulder. Next, the batik. You're going to create.
We're going to make the fan again on
Yes.
the short side. Do you want to fold the fan?
Yes.
Go ahead. Small. 2 times more. For the top part, cut the triangle first.
Yes. We
Can
need
you
to
make it triangle?
triangle.
Fold the triangle first.
Make it like a triangle. Make no line together.
Let's make it like a fan. You can fold back.
Now we're going to make
Here,
here.
this part.
Yes.
It's a
Here,
big
yeah.
sambul.
So now we're making the hat first. Here. So do the back part first like this. A snowman. Here.
That part.
Big pole.
And then for the front hair,
Front hair.
fold.
Fold. Make
And
a semicircle.
Here, look. And to the points of the hair. Yeah, it's good.
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
That's good.
Now we have this boy and this girl. everyone. Please like and subscribe. Bye.